American homeowners have a record amount of home equity sitting in their homes, yet so few are actually leveraging it for financial gain. I'm talking long-term gain. I'm talking generational wealth building gain. And most times it's because they just haven't been introduced to the proper strategies. This is the home stretch. I'm your host, Dustin Owen, aka DO. So in this clip I'm getting ready to show you, it's from the Loan Officer Podcast. It's episode 523. We will be sure that we put the link to this episode in the show description. But you're going to hear me talking with my producer extraordinary, my co-host, JC, about how a HELOC, which is a home equity line of credit, also known as a HE loan, was instrumental early on in my life, where I was able to unbury myself from some crazy credit card debt, where I was able to make a couple moves that let me sleep better at night, that let me get along better with my spouse, and it set me up for the ultimate financial freedom. Well, let me stop there and let's go ahead and take you to that clip.
Why are you taking money out of your house? Well, I'll speak from personal experience. I took money out of my house because I was paying my wife's car payment, which was $400 a month, my car payment, which was $500 a month. Because I had gone into business for myself, there was a 2-year period of time where I didn't make enough money to cover my bills. Therefore, my credit card debt went from $0 to $12,000. And I didn't have what most financial advisors would coach me to have, which is 6 months reserves, right? 6 months of my lifestyle in reserve. I was able, because I bought a house for $170, because it had gone up in value to $300, I was able to go take out a home equity line of credit where I paid off the credit card, paid off her car loan, paid off my car loan, and we ended up having like about 18 grand. So it wasn't quite 6 months reserve, but it was like between 3 and 4 months, 18 grand into a savings account so that the next time life threw me a curveball, I didn't have to go to a credit card to pay for the AC repair or to get her car fixed or to cover the $2,000 copay because we had to run one of our kids to the hospital because she fell down the stairs and bumped her head. All of a sudden, I was so much more financially set, and all that happened is I exchanged $400 a month in credit card payments, which, by the way, I would have never gotten that credit card paid off at $400 a month. $900 a month in car payments, that's $1,300. I exchanged that for an extra $300 a month on a second mortgage, which that's what a HELOC or a HE loan is. It's a second mortgage, right? It's still a mortgage, which means it's a legal document that's attached to a promise to repay that is then attached to your property. But like, how life-changing was that for me, my wife, our 2-year-old, and our soon-to-be baby on the way, that we freed up $900 a month of outgoing expenses. We put 18 grand in a savings account. Like, do you know how good we slept? Do you know how less we fought because we weren't stressed out about money? Like, that was amazing.
Now, please know, you do not have to treat your money like it's some crazy ATM machine or it's the money tree that you just go draw from to go do frivolous spending. But that's your money. That's the wealth you have accumulated. And if you have situations like mine where you're trying to launch a business, you're wanting to purchase that vacation home, you need to clear out some negative debt such as credit card debt, or maybe Junior needs braces, or maybe your daughter's going off to college. Tapping into your home's equity is a phenomenal solution for a lot of people who are in similar situations that I just mentioned. And if you need a good resource or you want to talk to a professional who knows HELOCs and knows HE loans, by all means, click the link below. And in that link, you're going to open yourself up to having access to some of my friends in the industry. These are bankers and lenders and brokers that can help homeowners just like you tap into your home's equity and leverage it to put yourself on the right path for ultimate financial freedom.